Oh man. Oh shit.
Oh, yes, yes.
My name is Jonathan Von Renner, and I've lived up here for 60 years, 61 years. I was born in Sebastopol, went through all the floods. Slow, it came up slow. It's up there. I don't know, it might be a record breaker. I don't know. We'll see if it goes up more. Your buddy here was telling me 46 or something like that, or 45. And then it'll get upstairs in my house up there because I have the house right next to the restaurant there. We'll see. Just hope for the best. It doesn't go up too much anymore. I got that little overhang that sits up the little ways. I got two boats. Right? We got like 6 people up there. But we got food and everything. We got heat and the power's been holding up. So, um, yeah, it's a tough one.